now that we're done with the notes, you guys can start working on the worksheet, okay? Just so I can make sure you all know what you're doing. Jeremiah, what did you get for number 1?
Corresponding.
Corresponding angles. Anybody get anything different?
Nope.
Hey, young, you erased it. You got it wrong. What did you have? You put alternate interior?
Yeah, that's all.
Oh, y'all put alternate interior? Jeremiah, explain the definition for corresponding angles for me, please.
When you're on the same side of the transversal.
Correct. He said when they congruent. Congruent. Everyone know what that word means, correct? What does it mean?
The same.
At the same angle. Good job. So corresponding angles are angles on the same side of the transversal line. One angle inside the parallel lines, the other angle outside of the parallel lines. Why do you want to? Anything wrong? Just ask somebody. Oh, the break there. Number 2, Ms. Winfield, did you get that? What do you have? Let's try it. Doesn't matter if we're wrong or right.
I think it will be
You chose which one? Consecutive interior. Okay. Raise your hand if you have anything different. Isaiah?
Yeah, alternate exterior.
Alternate exterior? That is correct. Alternate exterior. So, Ms. Winfield, remember, alternate because, why is it alternate, Isaiah?
Because different sides.
Opposite sides of the transversal line. And exterior because it's on the outside of the 2 parallel lines. Okay? So we're going to do like 2 more of these, and we're going to skip around on the paper so you guys have an idea of how to do all of them. Ms. Robinson, Capria, what did you get for number 3? Corresponding is correct. Corresponding is correct. Anybody have anything different? So thumbs up if you really have an idea of what's going on here, how to figure out these problems. There's no thumbs down, no thumbs to the side. All right, cool. So what I want you to do right quick on your paper, flip it over to the back side, to number 11. So once I release you all to work on your own, you can go back and finish double. So now for number 11, it says, find the measure of each angle indicated. That means where there's a question mark, I want to know what's the degree of measurement is there. All right? So the first step to solving this type of problem, who think they can help me out before I explain it? All right, you raise your hand? Oh. Winfield.
This side right here is complementary or supplementary.
Say it again now.
This side is supplementary or complementary.
You can do that, but okay, so how would you do that?
You do.
Matter of fact, you can go to the board explain.
If it's supplementary, then you would do it X plus.
Okay, so you're saying x equals 70 degrees? Okay, so raise your hands if you agree with it. Got Ms. Campbell and Mr. Knight. Ms. Calvin, you agree with it? Okay, so those who don't have their hand raised, that means you disagree with her? Demetrius,
Yeah.
you disagree with her?
Yes.
Why do you disagree?
Because it's not about finding like the whole thing. It's about what the top final pattern.
Finding the what now?
Pattern.
Speak up.
Like it's finding that missing number in that pattern.
Correct. Well, the question mark is, so I just put an X. So what do you have for X then?
I have 110.
You have 110. So how did you come up with 110 though?
I came up with 110 because the at the top it's like a supplementary line and like it splits, so it's that left half is 110 degrees and the right half is 7 degrees. So it's like it starts with a pattern because it's corresponding. Because alternate external. Because it's a congruent.
Okay, so just to summarize what you said because these two are alternate exterior angles and they are congruent,
Yes.
that means it would be 110.
Uh-huh.
That was just correct. So, great job, Ms. Winfield, although you was wrong. So, two ways to help you guys out, right? One, the first rule would be recognize what type of angles they are, okay? Alternate interior because they're on opposite sides of the transversal line. Alternate exterior, and exterior because they're on the outside of the parallel lines, okay? So remember, alternate interior, alternate exterior, corresponding, and vertical angles are all congruent, okay? So if you recognize what type of angle it is first, it will be easy for you to solve it, okay? The second way will be every straight line makes what type of angle? Supplementary, right? And supplementary equals what degree? 180.